So do you have any cautions when people are thinking about buying a home that people need to be aware of, or things you see maybe people don't quite understand about their credit score in that process?
Friend, I have lots of cautions.
What's the number one caution?
The number one caution is some people think that to better their credit score, they need to go out and buy something, and they typically buy something huge like a car. When you come out and you increase your debt load by $700-800 a month to buy a vehicle, that is detrimental in a lot of cases to your debt-to-income ratio. So I would highly suggest that a person doesn't do that. First, find out where you are in terms of your purchase amount, and let your lender discuss with you what you can afford for a car payment and still buy the home of your dreams.
Okay. So, buying a car is not it, and hopefully people, that you're right, talk to your lender about what your debt-to-income ratio is, because it's kind of an interesting, it's an interesting thing that people I don't think understand. What would be a better way to improve their credit?
Better way to improve their credit, you could actually get a credit card, which is fine. I would highly suggest that those that do get a credit card, anything that you put on that card, if you can't pay it off at the end of the month, pay it in full, then don't buy it. Don't buy that. But what you can do, keep in mind that Fannie and Freddie, they consider that anything over 12 months reviewed on your credit report is a viable, what we call trade line.
Okay.
And so if you can get some form of historical trade line for 12 months or greater, it really starts to influence your credit report positively.
Okay.
And obviously, if you miss a payment, it affects it negatively.
So I have my son put 1 tank of gas on a credit card and then pay it off every month. That's the way. I was like, because you're going to buy 1 tank of gas anyways.
Right.
And you know you can pay off the $46 or whatever it is.
Right.
Probably $100 now. But that's the way to do it. Something like that.
Absolutely. There's nothing wrong with that at all.
Okay. And then then it does take 12 months to improve the score typically.
That's correct. Yep.
Okay. Yep. It's a good idea.